You might have visited your parents' hometowns and come across this scene in the village where you are waiting for the bus to arrive. That is what we are going to capture in our drawing today. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Start with the basics. Hold the paper in landscape mode. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. In the end, you can use the color reference as shown. This will be your final result. You can use all pastels, watercolor or poster colors as your coloring medium to achieve the final output. This drawing is meant to develop your design skills, get a command on lines and to learn to create a form. This exercise will also boost your imaginative and creative approach. Let's dive deep. Let's begin. Use basic shapes to draw the outline of the people waiting for the bus. We can shape an almond to resemble the faces. We are showing our first character waving at the bus to signal it to stop. So let's draw the hands in waving pose. Our next character is a young girl who is waiting along with her father. So let's draw one of her hands in holding her father's hands. Draw a few luggage bags to make the scene more realistic and interesting. Our next character is a female in sari costume who is holding her luggage bags on the top of her head. We will now draw an old man whose back is bent and uses a walking stick for support. Now, we will be drawing the bus using simple shapes like squares and circles. Let's move to drawing the scenery and background. Our background comprises of a tree, a house, and mountains. Also add a few bushes around the tree. Finally, it's coloring time. You can refer to the color scheme as shown or you can come up with your own. Don't forget to add different shades to base color to bring the drawing to life. Don't forget to take your time to enjoy the process. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and that it has inspired you to explore the wonderful world of art. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep sketching and honing your skills. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.